This is your homework that I assigned. It says the table shows the number of gold medals won by the United States athletes during the Summer Olympics. In class, I told you that the year would be the X value and the gold medals is the Y. To do a mapping diagram, I would list the years: 1998, 1992, 1996, 2000, 2004, and then 2008. And then I would do a mapping. Go ahead and draw an oval. We have 36, 37. 1996 is mapped with 44. 2000 is mapped with 40. 2004 is mapped with 36, and then 2008 is wrapped with 36, mapped with that. And there is our mapping. C, a graph on the coordinate plane. What I recommend you do is you can make your x-axis here, and I'm going to say 98, 92, 96. Of course, that's going to be 2004. And I'm going to say this is 36. We'll say this is 40. This is 44. So, I'm sorry, this is 88. 88, so it's 36, so we'll say this is 36. 92 is 37, so we'll say that's 37. 96 was 44. 2000 is 40. 04 is 35. And of course, 36 is 2008, and I'm going to put it right here. Determine whether each relation is a function. We know that -1 is mapped with 1. 0 is mapped with 1. 1 is mapped with 1. 2 is mapped with 4. And 3 is mapped with 9. So I see I don't have any x values that are not repeated. So this would be a function. Okay. We're going to go ahead and do number 5. And we have a mapping. We have 2 mapped to 5, 4 mapped to 4, 6 mapped to 5, 8 mapped to 7, and 10 mapped to 6. And you can see each value in the domain is mapped with 1 in the range, so this is a function. Number 7, it says use the vertical line test to determine whether each group represents a function. If I were to draw the vertical line here, you notice that we have 2 y values for the x, so this would not be a function. For number 10, we have evaluate each function for a given value x. Write the input and the output f of x as an order pair. So we have f, and then our input is -2 equals 1/2 times -2 minus 1. And we know that 1/2 times -2 is -2 over 2 minus 1. -2 divided by 2 is -1 minus 1. And that's going to equal -2. So what's the order pair? The order pair is -2, -2.